such big enterprises, or do you prefer small commission works?
I prefer whatever is paying.
That is the most honest and blunt answer I've got.
Yeah.
But do you find any hindrances when working?
No, a good client is a good client. If it's a bad client, doesn't matter if they're rich or big or small company, it doesn't matter. Good client, which is a small company, is equally good as a big client who's a honest,
Honest person.
good client. Well, it's very person to person, you know. पता है कई बार ऐसा होता है big companies, the guys who are handling it has nothing to do with the money, right? It's not their money that's going from their pocket. They still take more time and they are still rude to us sometimes. It's very personal.
Yeah.
हर आदमी अलग होता है.
सही बात है.
किस्मत से मुझे हमेशा अच्छे क्लाइंट्स ही मिलते हैं. 99.9% तो अच्छे ही मिलते हैं. May either I attract them or I am a kind of a personality. So probably the guys who are handling such big companies, they don't want to mess with.
But
You know?
you give that no bullshit kind of attitude as well. So I mean, I think people get that as well.
I hope I'm giving no bullshit, but without the arrogance. Ki, I hope I'm giving that because I just want discipline in your word. Because I am very disciplined with what we promise. That's all I want from a client. पर मेरे साथ ना बहुत कम होता है कि क्लाइंट मेसी हो. यूजुअली सब स्मूथली काम करते हैं, अपना काम करके निकल जाते हैं, कोई किसी को दिक्कत नहीं रहता है सच.
Perfect. No, but so I mean, today's conversation though has opened so many doors of mine as well, and I think it's been one of the most fun conversation. And I'm not saying this only for the podcast. I think we've had wonderful debates as well. That we had a debate about digital versus physical art as well. So I mean, we are moving towards the end, of course. So I'm going to ask you. So we do a heartful moment where we do a rapid fire session as well. But before that, I want to ask you, what has been your most heartful moment?
In art or in life?
Heartful.
General?
It is very subjective. So we've left that terminology onto you. So you can, perceive it to be whatever you like it to be.
I think the most heartful moment in the past so many years, I would say, was the day of my wedding. I think.
Oh wow, beautiful.
Yeah, that would be my answer. It was the day of my wedding.
That's changed your life 360.
One, it has changed my life quite a bit. I have a very energetic person around me, Ria and Daku.
Shout out.
Ria and Daku. Two women. Daku is our cat.
Okay, I know this, of course.
So they both are extremely energetic. My wife is very she's an opposite energy to who I am.
She's an artist as well.
She's a chef. She's an artist of that kind. But she's been a restaurateur, and that's what she is. She cooks every day like her religion, and she cooks every day. And she that's what I tell her. Ki, I've seen you cooking in so many years now, and in the few years now, but she cooks like an artist, bro. It's her.
Of course.
Like it's as good as making a painting.
Yeah,
very passionate.
Yeah, you do it every day.
Like then every ingredient will matter, and if it's not good, वो फेंकने वाला है bro. If she's not satisfied, then she's not satisfied. Then she'll have to make it perfect. So she takes it up as art.
Oh, wonderful.
But yes, that did change my life for the better. I think I was completely missing that childlike energy in my life. Because I am not that person at all. I was born 55 years old and वैसे ही चल रहा है मेरा उसके बाद. And I've always been old. But her childlike energy actually makes me realize a lot of things in my day-to-day life. Like how she enjoys the little things in life. And she celebrates everything, and I celebrate almost nothing. So while I don't enjoy the little things, I don't enjoy the bigger things also.
Yeah, true.
Like
so true.
You could give me every achievement I ever wanted, and I'll still be
just indifferent towards it.
Or yeah, looking like a old growling man.
One more question: where do you see yourself when you're 60? I mean, 65, 70.
Well, probably on the same chair that I sit on every day. I don't have any different vision. See, whatever I wanted to achieve as a person, I have. I wanted a peaceful life. I wanted a loud Punjabi wife. Yeah. I wanted to have the freedom to do my work when I want to. at the speed that I want to. I wanted a very good team who supports my vision. I got that also. I am getting to travel as I wanted. I'm healthy.
Touch wood, yeah.
I want to sustain this.
And you have nothing to prove to anyone. Do you want to
I've-
prove anything?
I have proved everything I ever had to prove to everybody. See, it was never about achievements in work that would have made my point. It was always about making myself a better person
Better, of course.
and giving myself the life that I wanted on my own terms.
Mm.
That was the proof to point to the point to prove. It was never about how much money I make because nobody knows, or how much I spend.
Yeah.
That also nobody knows. It was never about that. It was never about the accolades or the newspaper articles or the awards or whatever जो मुझे मिले हैं और नहीं भी मिले हैं. It's never about that. It was just about मैं कैसा इंसान बनने वाला हूँ आगे जाके और मैं कैसी लाइफ जीऊंगा. That I've proved.
Beautiful.
अब मुझे बस इसको सस्टेन करना है, ऐसे ही जीना है. जहां तक कि पैसा कमाने वाली बात है, that is something that is if that is the part of the question, I will make a hell lot of money. I know that. Because it is the byproduct of the kind of value I'm trying to create. उससे मैं पागल वागल नहीं होने वाला हूँ.
Of course.
It's not going to change me because
No, I mean, I
if it
think
does,
as you rightly said, it's just a byproduct.
Yeah.
It just defines your, I mean, success. I mean, at the end of the day, as you said, it's paper. But ये होता है कि validation होता है. I think it's a form of validation कि when you're getting money, कि हाँ भाई मैंने अच्छा काम किया types.
it's actually utility.
As utility.
छोटी मोटी चीजें जो हैं जो हैंडल करने में तुम्हारा टाइम वेस्ट होगा वो पैसे से सॉर्ट हो जाती हैं तो you can do the real work. Great advantage to have a lot of money. I want a lot of it. I will get a lot of it. No doubt. But मुझे कोई प्रूफ नहीं करना किसी को कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Beautiful.
मुझे एक और I think it's a gift that whenever I need how much ever money, it somehow comes to me.
That's a blessing.
If I need a flight to go somewhere, it'll be there. If I need food, it'll be there. If tomorrow something bad happens which can be solved by money, I am sure some money will come in my lap and I'll be able to solve it.
Fantastic.
So I have that relationship with money. I never have too extra. I never have too less. I always have just enough for everything to get done.
Balance it up.
And more than me, the team that we are building, I want even them to learn sustainable living. With especially the relationship that they have with money should be long term, and not quick fame and quick this thing.
And this is exactly what financial freedom is also about.
Yeah, it has to be. It's a long run, bro. It's the art career has to last good 50-60 years.
Yeah, of course.
उसमें कुछ प्रूव करने के लिए और मैं अपने आप को जानता हूँ मेरा ग्रोथ इतना स्लो होने वाला है ना मुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ. इट्स नॉट गोना बी ओवरनाइट एट ऑल. Till today also it was never overnight कि मैं सुबह उठा and I was very famous. So I was
Yeah, I hope that also happens someday.
I don't think people who play at the long game उनके साथ कभी भी overnight success होता है. वो होता है और उनको महसूस भी नहीं होता because one step at a time. और whenever that 60 में when I think I would be very very wealthy like a Renoir or a Picasso, मुझे feel नहीं होगा शायद.
And I hope that happens.
I know
hope
it'll
it's that
happen.
stage. And I think you still be the same humble and indifferent human that you are today. So that is, I think, is a blessing. And it's a compliment, guys.
Thank
so,
you.
So I hope that happens. So quickly, so we are gonna, ask you the heartful section, which is a rapid fire, which we've prepared. So answer it in the spur of the moment. Engineering or entrepreneurship?
Entrepreneurship.
Spray cans or paintbrush?
Both.
Bigger canvases or walls?
Walls.
Or Instagram feed?
Walls.
Any day. What would be your autobiography be called?
It is called It's Not About Cancer. I've written a memoir, yeah.
Yeah? So of course it's not out. But
It's out, it's only for collector. I'm not selling it.
Really? Please
I can
send
gift
me one.
it to everyone.
Please, I would. I mean,
I can ask my team to bring it this week, maybe.
yeah.
Yeah.
Please send it across. I would. What's it called?
It's Not About Cancer.
It's not about cancer. Wow. What does that talk about? If you can just tell me.
Anything and everything you search on the internet about me will be about how cancer and how cancer this and how a cancer patient painted for 100 walls and this and that. But everything apart from that is what made my life as an artist. And I said that was never a boon. It is also actually a smart play to catch attention.
Yeah, it is also. India or Europe?
India, bro.
Of course. Desi art, traditional art, or modern art?
Art is art. Anything can touch me.
But what is your take?
I am a surrealist. I like
Yeah.
I'm attracted towards surrealism because again the art of creating something that doesn't exist is very catchy. to me.
Very
That's why I talk about Avatar. That's why even my movies references are surreal mostly, like Source Code or Looper or 15 Park Avenue, the Indian movie. That's
yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
In artist, Rob Gonsalves, Dali.
Oh wow. Rob
Dali
Gonsalves
is
is
everybody's
yeah,
favorite,
yeah,
but
yeah.
MC Escher for that matter. Everybody who's creating something that doesn't exist attracts me more. वो देसी भी हो सकते हैं, non देसी भी हो सकते हैं.
Of course. Fair enough. This I think I know the answer to. Art for purpose or art for fun?
Fun, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was thinking the contrary. The
मैं इतना सीरियस नहीं लेता हूँ.
नहीं
अब
मुझे
मुझे
लगता है बहुत सीरियस
अपने पर्सनल आर्ट को मैं इतना सीरियसली नहीं लेता हूँ. I love the process of making art and that is fun. It keeps me happy.
Fair enough.
So it is for that.
Okay.
It's not an intention to change the world. World will change on its own if all of the artists remain honest to themselves.
Beautiful. What is more fun, negotiating permissions or sneaking in to paint?
Neither, bro.
Have you ever snuck in and actually?
I never had to honestly. I've done that कि मैं पेंट कर रहा हूँ illegally और
अच्छा.
पीछे से पुलिस आई है और रात को पूछे तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो और फिर ऐसे कैन फेंक दिया कहीं पे
भाग गए.
और एक स्टेंसिल था वो नीचे जमीन पे डाल दिया खड़े हो गए उसके बाद उनको रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है कि ये स्टेंसिल है
हाँ.
और फिर थोड़ा वो उन्होंने बात की एंड देन
अच्छा भागे नहीं.
चले गए. नहीं, एक बार पुलिस वालों ने बुला जरूर लिया था कि क्योंकि मेरी गाड़ी गलत जगह पार्क थी तो वो उन्होंने नोटिस किया उन्होंने देखा कि ये लोग कुछ पेंट कर रहे हैं तो जरूर हुआ था. मैं भागा नहीं हूँ, मैं लंगड़ा हूँ. वही एक काम तो नहीं कर सकता.
ये okay. Shit, I was not supposed to laugh on that, but yeah. No, but I know what you mean. हाँ, क्या भाग नहीं सकते. But you never gone. So क्या हुआ था उस टाइम?
कुछ नहीं, वो बात करते हैं तुम्हें बोलते हैं कि मत करो फिर चले जाते हैं.
अरे कुछ पैसे वैसे का कुछ नहीं हुआ.
महाराष्ट्र पुलिस नहीं मांगते यार.
हाँ, महाराष्ट्र पुलिस तो
वो बहुत कंटेंट उनको उनका अच्छा चल रहा है.
उनका अच्छा लगा है. ये मैंने देखा है. One wall forever, Pune or Paris?
Pune bro. I would love to paint here.
What is the best part about Pune?
It's that you can start from zero and there you will find a client who will support you or people who will support you. That's brilliant about Pune. If I had started in Bombay, it would have been more competition and more cutthroat, killing kind of a competition, while Pune felt like everybody wanted me to succeed.
Wow.
While Mumbai, it would have been a fight against everyone and not just my fate. Pune was a
Pune
fight.
is a bit more intimate for sure. That is something.
Pune was very supportive and it has